Namaste, I am Shiva Swati and we are making these videos today to explain why desires don't manifest, especially desires of love. The desires don't manifest if they are not good for you. For example, the person whom you may be loved with, maybe in love with, may be a very irritable person personally, and she may be usually angry with you, or she may be sarcastic, or she may be abusive, or she may have several problems of her own which she wants you to help her resolve, which you cannot resolve. And that person may not be able to give you the support that you are seeking because she has so many problems of her own. So in that case, the love desire would not manifest because you are constantly focusing on receiving support, but that person is unable to give you support, and that is why that person will not enter your life. Similarly, for a man, in an opposite situation, the man that you desire may be very abusive, or he may be beating his wife, or he may be irresponsible, he may be financially too careless, or he may be arrogant and he may be insulting to you. So even if that person starts giving his love to you, it may be more narcissist than genuine, sharing, compassionate love, and then you will become unhappy in that relationship in the long run. So when you are focused again on receiving support from the man, and the man is incapable of giving that support because of his own inner child issues and family issues and beliefs and patterns and values from past lives, from centuries, so in that case, it is evolution which is needed to receive love, and not that person. When that person's evolution may not be your responsibility, it may be his or her own responsibility, and you will not receive love if you are constantly focused on receiving it from that person. You can receive love from your work, from self-love, from meditation, from inner child healing, but you may not get love from another person, especially if you are above 40 or 50 or 60 in India, because people have so many responsibilities at these ages that they cannot give up and focus only on love as in young age. If they focus only on love, they may become karmically irresponsible and attract sickness and other problems in their life. So that is why you don't get desires which you visualize very often, because the other person, the matching is not happening. What you desire, the other person is unable to give. Similarly, you don't get desires of some kind of work that you desire or promotion you desire if your frequency is not matching with the frequency desired by the organization or the frequency desired by your partners. For example, you may desire work where you get equal share, but the partner is looking for someone whom you can give less money, so you don't get the work because you are expecting equal share. Or you may desire a partner who can work for you for free, but the other person expects remuneration, and so you don't again get the work because you cannot pay the person. So your frequency has to match with what the other person expects to receive for you to get that desire. If your frequency does not match, you will get into more problems than now. Your problems will multiply, especially in a love relationship. Your problems can become very huge. And again, you will start feeling unloved in a few days if you are constantly focused on feeling unloved, because feelings repeat themselves. This is a law of energy cycles. Feelings repeat themselves. You will receive the feelings which you are constantly focusing on, and even if your desires manifest for a short time, the older feelings will come back. So till you are used to focusing on feelings of self-love, you cannot get love in your life in the long run, because your constant feeling that I am not loved will come back. It will try to repeat itself. So first is to heal that feeling that you are not loved, and then is the situation where you find love from another person, and third is the situation where you find love from God. So instead you can also go the other way, that you first get love from God, and then you can self-love yourself, and then you fill the gap of getting love from another person if it is possible, with your karmic responsibilities met. So, and if you do some work of God or some work of charity where you are creating positivity and self-love in others, then it helps to receive love in your personal life also. Because again, it is a karmic law of attraction. So thank you. Please like and subscribe.